It was a sad day. Our old refrigerator shelf cracked. Food teetered precariously. We needed a strong replacement. Then, we found the Maigoo Heavy Duty Thickening 240,350,620 refrigerator glass shelf. It promised durability. This shelf is compatible with many brands. These include Frigidaire, Kelvinator, and Kenmore. It also fits White-Westinghouse models. The size is just right. It measures 23.78 by 16.34. This Frigidaire Kenmore Glass Shelf, 23.78 by 16.34, seemed perfect. It even replaces part PD00513. Therefore, we ordered it quickly. When it arrived, we were impressed. The packaging was secure. Indeed, the glass felt substantial. It was thicker than our old shelf. Installation was a breeze. We simply slid it in. It fit perfectly. No wobbling. No gaps. Our refrigerator looked new again. This Frigidaire Kenmore Glass Shelf, 23.78 by 16.34, feels like a solid foundation. It holds heavy items easily. We can load it up, drinks, casseroles, and produce all fit. Furthermore, it cleans up nicely. Spills wipe away without effort. This shelf is a true workhorse. Overall, we are very happy. This Maigoo glass shelf is a lifesaver. It saved us from buying a new fridge. It's an affordable fix. Moreover, it feels premium. Our food is safe now. We trust this shelf completely. This Frigidaire Kenmore Glass Shelf, 23.78 by 16.34, is highly recommended. It's a clear winner. You won't regret this purchase. Thus, if your shelf is cracked, get this one. It's truly a sturdy upgrade. Pros: size matches photos, feels well made, no defects or damage, installed with ease, gently. Curved corners, solid pickup, not terribly priced, strong tempered glass, works exactly as expected. Smooth finish, no sharp edges. Cons: listing has confusing info, mentions different dimensions, mentions several model numbers. Slightly thinner than described, some images show sharp corners. Features: heavy duty thickening design, model 240,350,620 refrigerator glass shelf, compatible with Frigidaire, compatible with Kelvinator, compatible with Kenmore, compatible with White-Westinghouse. Freezer glass shelves, replaces part PD00513. The Maigoo Heavy Duty Thickening 240,350,620 glass shelf is a strong replacement shelf for your refrigerator or freezer. It's designed to fit many popular brands, including Frigidaire, Kelvinator, Kenmore, and White-Westinghouse. This shelf is an upgraded, thicker version of the original part PD00513, measuring 23.78 by 16.34 inches, making it durable for holding your food items. This Maigoo replacement glass shelf is a great choice for your refrigerator or freezer. It's strong, made of tempered glass, and feels well built. It was easy to install, fits perfectly, and has smooth, gently curved corners with no sharp edges. While the listing information could be clearer about the exact size and some pictures show sharp corners, the shelf you receive will be a solid, well-made replacement that works just as it should and isn't too expensive.